Alright, so in general, these are what tabs normally look like. This is just one of your typical tabs. But let's check out what it looks like as a blank tab first. So this is what a blank tab looks like. Let's begin with the 6 lines that go across the screen, those horizontal lines. Now each line represents a string. So beginning on the first line, all the way on top, that line represents the first string, meaning the thinnest E string. The second line represents the B string. The third line represents the G string. The fourth line represents the D string. The fifth, the A string. And the sixth line, the one all the way on the bottom, that represents the sixth E string. So now let's check out what those numbers on those lines mean. So basically they're just trying to tell you what fret to press. So for example, the first note of the song is a number 2 on the 4th line. So that means you're going to play the 2nd fret of the 4th string. The next note is another number 2, again on the 4th line. That means you're going to play, again, the 2nd fret of the 4th string. The note that comes after that is a number 4 on the 4th line again. So that means you're going to play the 4th fret this time and on the 4th string again. Now sometimes you will see a number 0. For example, in the 6th bar over here, there is a number 0 on the 1st line. So a number 0 basically means play the open string. So don't press any of the frets, just play the open string as it is. In this case, play the first open string. And that's pretty much it for how to read tabs.